Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abyss. 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 Abyss is a noun that refers to a deep, immeasurable, and often frightening chasm or void. It is used metaphorically to describe a situation or feeling of extreme depth, emptiness, or hopelessness. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Standing at the edge of the canyon, she peered into the abyss, marveling at its sheer depth. Why abyss is used in example number 1. Abyss refers to the deep and awe-inspiring canyon, emphasizing its extraordinary depth. Example number 2. After the loss of her loved one, she felt like she had fallen into an emotional abyss. Why abyss is used in example number 2. Abyss is used metaphorically to describe the profound sense of grief and emotional emptiness she experienced. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.